Are you looking to capture a specific moment from a video on your iPhone? This tutorial will show you how to save a single frame from any video directly to your Photos app, and we're going to show you 2 different ways on how you can do this. And before we start with the video, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. And without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step that we'll do is to open the Photos application on our iPhone, and then open a video in which you want to capture the frame. I'm going to scroll a little bit through this video, and then stop the video to the frame I need. Let's say I need this as a separate photo in my photo gallery. It's pretty simple. I will take a screenshot by clicking the volume up and power button at the same time. The frame will be captured, and then I'll click on the screenshot in order to crop it a little bit. So I will remove these black bars at the top and the bottom, and then tap on Done at the top left, and Save to Photos. This is the most straightforward way on saving still frames from a video. But if you're having troubles with this specific method, then we're going to install a free application from our App Store, and we'll use a third-party app in order to do this. So hop over to your App Store and then type Frame Grabber. We're looking for this specific application, and I'll make sure to leave a download link in the description down below. Once you get this application, you'll want to open it and you're going to see your photo gallery, so just find the video which you need. Here is my video. Now all I have to do is to scroll until I find my frame. Here it is. And all you have to do now is to tap on the little share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's going to open the share sheet where you want to click on Save Image. The frame will be saved as a separate image into our photo gallery, and that's about it. Thanks for watching and enjoy.